In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the Add Yours Not Working issue. Let's dive right in. Firstly, ensure you're running the latest version of Instagram. If you're on an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon and look for Instagram. If there's an update available, hit the update button. Keeping your app up to date might just be the solution you need. Now, go to your Instagram stories and check if the Add Yours button is functioning. If not, don't worry, we've got more solutions for you. If the first step didn't work, let's take a more direct approach. Navigate to your phone settings, then tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device. Find Instagram in the list of apps. Once you've found Instagram, you're going to uninstall the app. This won't delete your account or data, it just removes the app from your device. After uninstalling, head back to the Google Play Store and reinstall Instagram. With the fresh installation, return to Instagram Stories and test if the Add Yours button is now back in action. More often than not, this should resolve the problem. There you have it, a quick and straightforward guide on fixing the Add Yours Not Working issue on Instagram for Android. Remember, staying updated is crucial, and sometimes a clean reinstall does the trick. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!